Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Asadullah, Department of Physical Education, and I am here to present a topic that is importance of forests. Contents which are forests, number second importance of forests, number 3 types of forest in Pakistan, number 4 deforestation in Pakistan causes, effects and solution, number 5 sustainable forestry. I would like to start from the first content which is forest. Forests are extensive continuous area of land dominated by trees. The desired level of forest is 20 to 30% of the total area of a country. In Pakistan, only about 4.8% of the total area is forests. There are two types of forest in Pakistan. Number one is productive forest, number two is protection forest. Productive forest. These are mainly natural forests and have high tree densities. Such forests have great commercial value and are mainly used for extraction of timber and other products. Number second type, protection of forest. These forests are mainly planted by people. They include planting along roads, in parks and along railway lines. Protection forests have little commercial values as they do not provide valuable species of wood. Their main function is to prevent soil erosion. This map is basically showing us the forested areas of Pakistan. Legend on the map shows different types of forests located in different areas of Pakistan. Now coming towards the importance of forest, from an ecological point of view, forests help to maintain a balance in the environment by checking pollution and protecting soil from erosion. By preventing soil erosion, the trees on slopes of hills also regulate the supply of water to the reservoir, thereby reducing floods. Decomposition of leaves help in human formation, which maintain the fertility of the soil. This ensures food supply to millions of people. Now coming towards types of forests, there are four types of forest in general. Number first is alpine forest, number two is tropical forest, number three is coniferous forest, number four is subtropical scrub forest. Now, alpine forest. These forests are called alpine because they grow in conditions similar to those in the Alps, a mountain range in Europe. Alpine forests are found on the mountain of Gilgit-Baltistan. In the region of high mountain there is snow, so little or no vegetation are found here. Now, tropical thorn forests. The tropical thorn forests are dominated by xeropathic scrubs. They are most widespread in the Punjab plains but also occupy small areas in southern Sindh and western Balochistan. They are mainly used for grazing purposes, watershed protection and fuel wood. The usual height is 6 to 9 meter. Now, coniferous forest. The coniferous forest occur from 1000 to 4000 meter in altitude. Chitral, Swat, Upper and Lower Dir, Malakand, Mansehra and Abbottabad, district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Azad Kashmir, Rawalpindi and district of the Punjab are the main areas covered with coniferous forests. Now, subtropical scrub forest. Commonly, these are known as scrub forests. These forests consist of branchy trees forming a canopy of, if complete closure, or scattered tree with a shrub growth. These trees are shrubs are mostly thorny and evergreen, but some like olive and pomegranate are not thorny. Now, mangrove forests. Mangroves are slate tolerant bush type trees which grow in intertidal zone of tropical and subtropical areas, river deltas and along the coasts. Mangrove forest of Pakistan in Indus Delta and along Arabian Sea coastal areas, as per estimate, are some 1,29,000 hectares in the Indus Delta and over 3,000 hectares in Gwadar by area. Now, riparian forests. The riparian forests occur in the province of Sindh along both banks of the Indus River. They rely on inundation by the river for irrigation and therefore their existence is heavily dependent on the intensity, duration and frequency of river water flow. They provide shishum and babul, two valuable species which are used for making furniture. Now, irrigated forests. These are man-made forests. They include plantation along roads, in parks, and along railway lines. Their main function is to protect the soil and to prevent it from eroding. They keep the environment pleasant by lowering the temperature and providing shade. Now coming towards deforestation. Clearing of forest land is called deforestation. Pakistan is not self-sufficient in wood-based products and spends billions of rupees on import of wood and wood-based products. Pakistan's forest resources are shrinking at a rate of 1%, which will have dreadful effects on the people of Pakistan. Following are some of the main causes of this large scale deforestation in Pakistan. Number one is clearing of land. Number two is urbanization. Number three is building of roads. Number four is industrialization. Number five is overgrazing. Now, effects of deforestation. Deforestation exposes the soil of the forest of wind and water, which results in soil erosion. With less vegetation, the climate changes, resulting in less rainfall, which may lead to lower crop yields. It is estimated that about 50 to 100 species of animal are being lost each day as a result of destruction of their habitats. Solution of the problem caused by deforestation. The following measures could be helpful to solve the problem caused by deforestation. Supplying irrigation facilities to the deforested areas, commercial species of trees which grow rapidly should be planted. By reserving land for fuel plantation only, so the valuable species of trees could be saved. Creating awareness among the people by NGOs about the hazards of deforestation, by improving the techniques of raising nurseries and planting trees so the deforestation areas could be regenerated in a short period. Now coming towards the last content of the topic, sustainable forestry. Sustainable forestry means that we should manage the forest resources in such a way as to ensure that we will be able to obtain the things that we want from the forest on a regular basis while conserving the natural environment. It implies continuous production of things such as wood, water, wildlife, habitat, recreation, recreational opportunities, and so on. It was all about my presentation. Thank you for hearing me and thank you so much for bearing me. Thank you.